To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then go to the Updates tab. Next, tap Add Status to create a new status update. Now add a photo or video to your status. Before posting, tap the sticker icon at the top. Here, you'll find the new question sticker. If it's not visible, ensure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Now tap on it. Type your question. This new sticker is still rolling out. So if you don't see it yet, it may come in an upcoming update. Once you are finished, tap Done in the top right corner. You can resize the sticker and position it anywhere on the screen by dragging it. When you are satisfied with your question, post your status as usual. Your status has been posted successfully. If your friends view your status, they can tap the question sticker to respond to your question. This feature lets you easily engage with your friends, and gather their responses directly through your status. You will be able to view all their responses in the Viewers section of your status. So that's how you can use the new question sticker on WhatsApp.